A very common CSS attribute to change is the font size. So in this case, we have font hyphen size colon, and then whatever number and unit. Remember, your math teacher wants you to put a unit with all numbers, and the semicolon. So let's take a look at some examples. Here we're changing the font size to 12 point of everything in the body. In general, you will not use 12 point because that is generally reserved for a printed item. Now, in one of the chapters, we will create a page, a printed page, or at least the CSS for a printed page, and you will see how it is used to set the font. I look back at sometimes I print off the internet, and sometimes the words are way huge, or sometimes they're extremely small. If they had done this in a special printed CSS, then that would have fixed those issues. The more common type of unit is a relative unit. The most common that you have probably heard of before is the word pixel. So you normally know this in how many pixels are on your screen. That is how many dots go from top to bottom and how many dots go left to right. So some of your more common sizes are below. In the examples, we got 10 pixels, so everything inside of the body will start out being 10 pixels size, the font, the words, except now in the H1s, we now want to change those sizes to size 14 pixels for an example. Gaining, ooh, that was a weird word. Gaining in popularity and use are percentages, EMs, and REMs. Very popular. Percentage size, so font size, 200%, you're essentially doubling it. So the nice thing about this is on a phone, maybe an older phone, you would be able to see that those words are exactly twice the size of other words. On a large TV, it would be the same thing. It would look roughly twice the size of the other words, and there's not going to be any distortion based on the actual size of the screen. Another way of doing that is with these EMs. It's sort of a percentage, but it's just using a more familiar style with a number and the EM. Usually, generally, a 1 EM is standard size. So if you have a decimal like 0.5, you're talking half normal size. You want those words to be smaller, maybe in the footer, copyright, something like that. 2 EM would be twice as big, so that would be quite large for text to show up on the screen. And here's some, I don't know why that showed up. Here's some more examples. Font size 16 would actually be pretty big size. Font size 0.75 EM would be slightly smaller than normal. Font size 1 would be normal. So in this case, you're starting everything off at a font size 16 pixels. But if your item is inside of an article that is a direct child of the body, then you're making the font size smaller. But if we have an H1 that is a direct child of that article, which is a direct child of the body, so this would generally be an H1 that's inside of that article, we want that font size to be slightly larger, like a heading normally should be. So we're changing that font size to be 1.